Good morning, Mrs. Joseph. My name is Nur Hanani and I am acting as your legal counsel today. Thank you for consulting me regarding your rights following your divorce. Based on the information you have provided, you were married for 5 years, resigned from your job as a teacher after 3 months of marriage, currently have no income of your own, and your former husband is an engineer earning 8,000 ringgit per month. You also informed me that your former husband committed adultery before the divorce, right? Okay, today I will explain your rights to maintenance and the legal procedure available to you. So the main question is whether you can still receive maintenance from your former husband, and if so, how much maintenance the court may award. Under Section 77 of the Law Reform Marriage and Divorce Act 1976, the court may order a man to pay maintenance to his wife or former wife. However, there is no automatic right to maintenance because the law uses the word may. This means that the judge has power and will look at all the circumstances before making a decision. Under Section 78 of the Act, the court will mainly consider two things. First, your financial needs and your former husband's ability to pay. Second, the court may consider who was responsible for the breakdown of the marriage. The court may also look at the factors such as the duration of marriage, whether the husband support the wife financially during the marriage, and whether the wife has the ability to support herself. Applying the law to your situation, I believe that you have a strong claim for maintenance. Firstly, you currently have no income. Although you were previously a teacher, you resigned after only 3 months of marriage and you have been out of work for a long time. Therefore, you are financially dependent on your former husband. Secondly, your former husband earns 8,000 ringgit per month as an engineer, which suggests that he has the financial means to support you. The case of Katir Sean, anak lelaki Kumarasan, and Punas Worthy, anak perempuan K. Shanmugam, is very helpful. In that case, the wife was already earning money per month, but the court still awarded maintenance. The court said that a wife should not automatically lose maintenance simply because she has some income. Your case is even stronger because unlike the wife in that case, you are currently have no income at all. However, your husband may argue that because you are a qualified teacher, you can still return to work and support yourself. This argument can be seen in the case of ACH and PAY, where the court said that the wife who is able to generate her own income may not automatically receive maintenance. Nevertheless, that case is different from your situation because the wife there was financially independent, whereas you are currently unemployed and financially dependent. Another important factor is your former husband's adultery. Under Section 78, the court may consider who was responsible for the breakdown of the marriage. In the case of Dr. Gurmail, anak perempuan Sadhu Singh and Teh Song Pang, the husband committed adultery and the court awarded maintenance to the wife. Similarly, your former husband's adultery may strengthen your claim because the court may consider him responsible for the breakdown of the marriage. In terms of procedure, you may file an application for maintenance in the family court. You should prepare document showing that your current financial position, such as proof that you have no income, your monthly expenses, and evidence of your former husband's salary and financial position. The court will then decide whether maintenance should be awarded and how much is reasonable. It is also important to note that under Section 83 of the Act, the court may change the maintenance order in the future if there is a significant change in circumstances. For example, if you obtain your job or if your former husband's financial position changes. In conclusion, Mrs. Minister, I believe that you have a strong basis to claim maintenance under Section 77 and 78 of the Law Reform Marriage and Divorce Act 1976. Therefore, my advice is you should proceed with an application for spousal maintenance and prepare sufficient evidence to support your claim.